I cannot believe how much I learned in the last 24 hours. I have to share. Welcome to Daily Whispers. Kara Bradley bringing you what is top of mind, what I am going through, the emerging impulses, the insights, the ahas that come through me and honestly come through you every day. Wow. If you listened to yesterday, you knew that I had a tough period. It was a day where I ignored my good habits. I got myself exhausted. My husband and I had just a rough night of eating and drinking and going to bed full and tired, and I don't even want to go through it. I don't want to relive it. Yesterday, I suffered all day. I experienced brain fog. I experienced bloating. I experienced sluggishness. And what I realized was that when I don't feel good physically, that life force, that creative intelligence cannot move through me and serve the world. Me being bogged down physically, it closes me off from my potential awakening and moving into the world. That pulse, that impulse, that drive, that momentum, that energy, that positivity, that floods us, that is our spirit, gets shut down, muted. Today I am so clear about this. I ate clean yesterday. I moved my body. I drank a ton of water. I turned down the computer early enough. I went for walks. I didn't drink any wine. I had a light dinner. I went to sleep early. And bam. I woke up this morning clear as a bell. I was like, oh my God. You know, most people you meet on the street are bogged down, are clogged, are moving through brain fog, inflammation, fatigue. They're not seeing life through clear eyes. It's not a judgment. It's a reality. It is just the truth. So if you, I wanted to say ye, if we, you and me, if we want to have impact on this world, if we want our lives to have purpose so that we can help others, we can express clarity and wisdom in how we move through the world, then it starts in our bodies. How you eat, how you sleep, how you move, what you consume, how you care for this vehicle. It's the vehicle of God energy, and it moves through every single one of us. I really honestly think, my friend, this is why I'm here. It's just to remind you of your brilliance, of your impeccableness, of your wisdom when you are clear, calm, strong. Oh, my goodness, I had to go through that desert. Thankfully, it was only a matter of a day or two, and I'm back with such conviction. Clean it up. Clean it up today. Reach out to me for support. I'm telling you, I am so absolutely committed to sharing how to start at the gut, at the root of all of this. Gut-brain health is where we begin. We get the neurochemistry right in our bodies. We drive inflammation out of our bodies. We reduce stress and increase stress resiliency just by changing up the neuroanatomy and the neurochemistry of your gut microbiome. And I have natural solutions. It's where it all begins for me. But it's not everything, but it's the start. So if you need a place to start, go to the show notes, look up the link for my gut brain protocols and start there. I have 3 options. They're all fantastic. My friend, I am on fire today, and I cannot wait to continue this conversation tomorrow. Be well.